Hello, hello. I am excited to tell you about the wildlife that you will see in the amazing Galapagos Islands. Galapagos Islands is an archipelago off the coast of Ecuador. It has a number of incredible vistas, but you are probably not here for that. If you're here, you want to know about the wildlife. So I'm going to tell you about the top wildlife that you will see on your incredible trip to the Galapagos Islands. First up, we have the Galapagos sea lion, also known as the Lobos del Mar. Galapagos sea lions are a little bit smaller than sea lions in California and elsewhere in the world, but they are agile. You can get real close to these guys in the Galapagos Islands. They are everywhere. Here we've got a video of two of them fighting for mates. They're also incredibly agile in the water. So if you're lucky enough to see them in the water, and you'll be amazed at what they can do. Got this video right here. This mom and baby walked right past me. There's no zoom on this video. Next species is the iconic species of the Galapagos Islands, marine iguanas. These amphibians live only in the Galapagos. They are the only amphibians that can swim and eat in salt water. They go into the ocean, they eat seaweed, and they come back out. They have special adaptations in their nostrils that allow them to shoot the salt water back out that keeps their saline level in check. Galapagos is the only place in the world that you will see a sign like this. If you don't read Spanish, that sign says, "Drive carefully, iguana crossing." But it's not only about the marine iguanas. We've also got land iguanas in the Galapagos Islands. I've got a couple pictures for you here, and I want to tell you just a little bit about their lifestyle. You see these trees here? These are prickly pear cactus trees. Marine iguanas will fight, sometimes to the death, to live under one of these. And why is that? Well, it's all about those pears. You can see a couple of them growing on the ends of the leaves there. They will wait patiently under that tree that they call home until the pear drops. And when it does, well, that's food time. The next species I want to cover is the Sally Lightfoot crab. These crabs can hang onto rocks despite powerful waves. Really want to call out the colorful shell that they have. Look at that bright red there. And here we go from one color to another. Next species up is also color themed. It is the blue-footed booby. Check out the shoes on this guy. Blue-footed boobies are incredible dancers. Look at this dance that it does to attract a mate. That's it. The blue-footed booby also has a very interesting hunting method. The lead one will blow a whistle, and the rest will dive in unison to get some fish. Look at that. Just like fighter planes. Let's watch that one more time. Here they go. Into the water to get the fish. You can't go to the Galapagos Islands and skip the giant tortoises. That's one of the reasons you go. Giant tortoises really, really are giant. They can live up to 150 years and be as large as 600 pounds. But pro tip, look out for the poop. You do not want to step in it. Sea turtles in the Galapagos Islands are beautiful. When you are swimming, snorkeling, scuba diving, they will often come up real close to you. Don't touch them, but take some pictures if you have the underwater camera. Galapagos Islands is home to several species of sharks. Shown here is the white-tipped reef shark. They also have black-tipped reef sharks in the Galapagos, as well as the larger Galapagos shark. Keep your eyes peeled. This one is the frigate bird. This species is really the jerk of the Galapagos Islands. Why? Because frigate birds don't find their own food. They just steal it from other birds. Not cool, guys. They do have a rather interesting method of attracting mates. They stick out this giant red pouch in their throat like that and try to impress one another. The most elegant species in the Galapagos by far is the flamingo. The more pink it is, the healthier it is. Look at the way that it walks. If you can, get a look at how it feeds. They essentially filter the water through that beak and sort out some of the small organisms in there that become its food. All in all, Galapagos is an incredible place to visit. You will not regret your trip there. I highly encourage you to consider it as you make your travel plans.